Beef and pasta
Yes.
Florentine baked.
Yeah.
So what makes a Florentine? What is that?
Usually including spinach or kale. We're gonna use spinach today. We've also got some ricotta, which is gonna give it that lasagna-y flavor and feel. We're starting off here with some Italian stewed tomatoes. And we're gonna add our ground beef, which has already been browned. Spinach.
Okay.
Go for it with the noodles.
All right. So any kind of pasta, I guess, but it's
Yeah.
kind of nice. The shells are sort of a nice thing.
I've got some ricotta here, and if you want to end off with those tomatoes,
Sure.
the spices that I'm adding is just Italian seasoning, and you give that a really, really, really good stir.
With pleasure. Then basically this goes right into the dish.
Yep.
Do we put the cheese on top?
Oh yeah. This goes into a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes, but I like to put the broiler on at the very, very end.
Give
That
it a
way
real crispy.
the cheese gets really nice
Yeah.
and brown and crispy. Then you've got a great casserole, pasta Florentine baked.
Ooh, yeah.